Do you know how or where tuna or lime is made? Listen, lime is made from a specific ingredient. Various types of scented substances are used in it. Let's begin then. The main ingredient for making lime is the shell of oysters or snail, which contains a very high amount of calcium. The snail shell are first heated in a kiln and then ground into a powder with the help of a machine. When they become suitable for grinding, then they are purified and packaged with a measurement amount of water. After these they are marketed. The business of making lime is a very profitable business. Its raw material can be easily sourced from rural areas at a low cost. And if you get workers at an affordable rate, you can earn a monthly profit of 20,000 to 30,000 rupees. To get more such interesting video business ideas, subscribe to the SK Ghost channel and press the bell icon to get help with new videos.